So hello everybody, myself Risha sir, and let's start with our video. So first of all, I will tell you today why 0 factorial will be always 1. We are always told in our schools and other institutes that it will be always 1, but what is the real reason behind that? So let's start with it. We know that 1 factorial is always 1 and 2 factorial is 2. 3 factorial is 6 and 4 factorial is 24. And how do we write that example? So first let's write for 1 factorial. It's only 1, nothing, not a big deal. 2 into 1 equal to 2 factorial equal to 2. Now how can we write 3 factorial? 3 into 2 into 1, which is 6, and 4 factorial will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that's easy, right? But now can we go reverse in reverse order? Let's divide it by 4. We will get 6. Let's divide it by 3. We will get 2. Now let's divide it by 2. What we will get is 1. Now we know that if we divide 1 by 1 we will get, of course, 1. So here is the trick. We got 0 factorial equal to 1 and this series goes backwards.